What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to fix a camera clipping through the player's head in true first person. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so as you can see in my third person character, I have the camera basically attached to the head socket and you see inside the head. And right now when I press play, we basically can see the head inside, right? We can see this kind of, clip going through, and although it doesn't look very nice, right? And I mean, the first approach would of course simply be just going and position the camera a bit better, maybe just going forwards and that's it. But imagine that you want to, have your camera more backwards to see the rest of the body, like the chest, or for some reason you need, this to be more centered, right? So a solution is to simply go and remove the player's head. So how would we do this? Well, just scaling down the head bones. So to this, let's go into the characters folder, go to mannequins, animations, and open up ABP Queen because it's the one that I'm using right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and just double click on the actually this will not work because the name graph is child, so we need to do it on the parent, which is ABP Manny. And on an name graph, right, what we need to do is basically go right click and use this transform bone node, and this will basically go ahead and allow us to modify the scaling. So if I now plug this to the component pose, it will add a local to component node, right, because we're editing a component, which is of course the bone, and then from component to local. And now of course nothing will happen, but if I go and select this bone and node, sorry, and go to the details panel, I can select the bone to modify, and of course in this case it will be the head. Now with that selected, I could simply go and put the scale to be 0, 0, and 0. Now when I press compile, you can see that we still have an error, and that's because we need to go into the scaling mode, right, and put here from ignore to replace existent. And now, yes, as you can see, we go and disable the player's head. Now we don't have a head. It looks pretty funny, but now when I press play, as you can see, we do not have the issue of the head clipping. As you can see, we don't have that kind of lines of the mesh, and basically we have no head. And of course this will only work if you are purely in the first person, right? And I mean in multiplayer, but you can just make the other players that are not possessed by you have the head, right? As simple as that. But this is a very old and tricky solution that I use a lot for this case. So that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Remember, you can get the profiles from Patreon and YouTube members, follow me on my socials. Now yes, with that said, bye bye.